Hello students, good afternoon. So here we are for the next chapter, that is cash flow statement. I had taken the last chapter in your accountancy since this chapter is important for 6 marks. Okay, let me finish up with the small chapters first, then I'll get back to the bigger chapter once again. Okay, here we have as a next concept as cash flow statement. Now, what do you think about when I say cash flow statement? What do you mean by cash flow? Basically, when you think about cash flow means a cash is flowing somewhere, right? Okay. In general, we think when it is cash flow, it is nothing but the movement of cash, right? Maybe cash inflow. Inflow means the amount which is coming to the business, and outflow is nothing but the cash is going out from the business. This is also an important statement, we call it as, okay, to study in details. Previously in the companies, these cash flow statements may not be prepared. Basically, they were concentrating on profit and loss statement and a balance sheet. Now at a present era, the company came up with the new ideas, things. That means each and every details related to the business is very important for an business people. Maybe to the shareholders, maybe for the owners, or the people related to the business aspects, for the companies, everything. Okay, for the stakeholders, everybody knows from where the company is collecting money and how the company is spending that particular money in different aspects. That is basically we speak in cash flow statement. Let us go in detail saying that what do you mean by this? What do you mean by this cash flow statement? Cash flow statement is nothing but is the third important financial statement which shows inflows and outflows of cash and cash equivalents from various activities of a company during a specific period. As I said, this is an important statement for each and every company right now in this particular situation. Okay, this statement basically speaks about the inflow of cash, how the cash is coming to the business, in what form or what are the different forms that a company is using to get the money to the business. Same way, cash outflows, how the money is going out from the business. If I'll give you an example, cash inflows in the sense, if you're selling something, cash will come to the business, right? When you sell a product, cash is coming to the business. Same way, cash outflow is nothing but when you're purchasing, you have to give money for that particular product. That means cash is going out of the business. Same thing, all these statements are specified under this cash flow statement. This statement basically speaks about, as we said, cash and cash equivalents. Now, what do you mean by cash equivalents? Basically, cash, when we speak about cash, that is nothing but cash in hand or the amount that is deposited with the bank. That is nothing but cash. And one more, cash equivalent is nothing but short-term, highly liquid investment. That means which can be easily converted into cash. Most of the time we say investment can be easily converted into cash. Basically when it is a short term, not for a longer term. That is why cash equivalents are nothing but the things which can be easily converted into cash. Those aspects will be specified under cash flow statement. Now, this is important. Accounting Standard 3, that is AS3 we call it as, issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, in June 1981, which deals with the statement showing changes in financial position. We call it as a fund flow statement. Okay, this fund flow statement will not study here. We will concentrate only on the cash flow statements. Has been revised and now deals with the preparation and presentation of a cash flow statement. What these people had done according to Accounting Standard 3, where the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has made it compulsory for the to prepare and present this cash flow statement. The revised AS3 has made it mandatory for all the listed companies to prepare and present a cash flow statement on annual basis. That means now this, along with the other statements, they made cash flow statement also as a compulsory statement. They have to prepare and they have to submit for the annual basis. That means for the annual meetings. For that, this cash flow statement is also an important one. Now, this cash flow statement is classified as in 3 different activities. Okay? Operating activity, investing activity, and financial activity. Now, as I said in the introduction, this chapter is very important for 6 marks. Now, the questions will be from 3 different activities. Okay? They may ask the questions from operating activity, they may ask from investing activity, they may ask from financial activity. We'll go one by one with this activities. Okay. The next, what is the objective of this cash flow statement? It says the primary objective of cash flow statement is to provide useful information about cash flows. That is nothing but cash inflows and outflows of an enterprise during a particular period under various heads, that is operating activity, investing activity, and financing activity. Yes, the first objective of this cash flow statement is it is an useful for information. As I said earlier, it provides the details about how the cash is coming to the business and for what purpose the amount has been sent. That is nothing but outflow of an cash. Whether we have purchased something or whether we have invested money somewhere. If we have invested, whether the cash is coming to the business, how the amount has been collected, all these informations will be provided with the help of cash flow statement. Second one, it speaks to provide a basis to assess the ability of the enterprise to generate cash and cash equivalents and the need of the enterprise to utilize those cash flows. Now this is important. We know when cash is coming to the business, we can make out for what purpose we can use that particular money. Or if you are investing, what are the different sources that we have? How we can generate that cash? How we can convert that particular cash? So we'll get a clarity or a clear picture about how the cash is flowing, inflow and outflow. That track will be provided for the business. Okay, that is one more objective of cash flow statement. Next, is there any benefit of this cash flow statement? It says yes, of course we have a benefit from this cash flow statement. It provides information that enable users to evaluate changes in the net asset of an enterprise and its financial structure. Yes. Now we basically prepare and balance sheet, right? There will come to know what is the value of the assets that we have in the business, how much stock we have, what is the value of a building, what is the value of an investment. These are considered in terms of cash, right? So to evaluate that, to check the net asset value, the cash flow statement will be helping. Okay, if you see the balance sheet, there we have cash, bank, then furniture, balance, all these things will get clearly. Same way, when you prepare a cash flow statement, you will get a clear idea saying that what is the actual value of assets that we have, net value of an asset, which will be helpful for the financial structure, whether we can do a profit in the business because of this or not. That is the benefit of preparing cash flow statement. Second one, it says cash flow information is useful in assessing the ability of the enterprise to generate cash and cash equivalents. As I said, it will be an helping to generate the cash and cash equivalents. We can think for in which category we can invest the money, how we have to invest, on what purpose we have to invest, where we will get the highest returns, cash basis. All these things will be helpful for when we are preparing cash flow statement. It also helps in balancing its cash inflows and cash outflows, keeping in response to changing condition. Yes, this is very important. When you're preparing a statement, that means you will have a clear idea saying that where your money is going, right? If you think about the journal entries you have studied in the first year, there you had a track saying that for what you have invested, whether you have bought furniture to the business, whether you have invested money, commenced business with cash, okay, you have given money to somebody. There you have a clear picture saying that for whom you had given money or from where you have collected that particular amount, right? Same way, when you're preparing a cash flow statement, you will be knowing whether the actual cash is inflow is more or the outflow of cash is more. This is a brief explanation about this particular chapter, that is cash flow statement.